Hi children, good morning all of you. Today we will discuss about horse. Today we will discuss about horse. See, given puzzle, a square puzzle. A square puzzle. See now, given puzzle 4, 10, 12. Given the values 34, 10, 12. Given puzzle. See, in this side we will take the 2 digits, multiply value coming 30. See, 5. We will take 5. 5 6 30. Okay, 5 6 30. 5 6 30. This side also multiply value coming answer 10 5. Okay, see 5 6 30. This value 4. Which values we will take coming answer 4? 2 2 4. 2 2 4. See, vertically multiply vertically multiply values 5 6 30. 2 2 4. Next horizontally also multiply values, same answers coming. 5 2 10, 6 2 12. Okay. See ma, vertically horizontally given answers coming. We will take the values, coming answer also same value. Next one. 6, 24, 18, 8. We will take the multiply values. Horizontally same answers coming. Vertically also given answers coming. We will take the multiplications values. Multiply values. Coming answer. Vertically given answers coming. Horizontally also given answers coming. Next. See 6. Which values we will take? Coming answer 6. Which values? Which multiplications value we will take? Coming answer 6. 2 3 6. Okay, 2 3 6. Next, this value 24. 6 4 24. 6 4 24. This side also, this side 2 sides koda coming answers. See 2 3 6, 6 4 24, 2 6 18, 3 4 3 2. Sorry ma, wrong right. See 3 2 6, 6 4 24. Okay, see 6 3 6 18, 2 4 8. This type of puzzle ma. Is it clear? Next, another one. See, we will take the values, coming answers, vertically this type coming, horizontally this type coming. Which values we will take? Related values, which values we will take? See, 42. 7 6 42. 7 6 7 6 42. Next 25. 5 5 25. 5 5 25. See 7 5 35. 6 5 30. Is it clear? 7 6 42. 5 5 25. 7 5 30. 6 5 30. Okay. Related multiple values we will take. The given answers related, take multiple values. Okay na? Once again listen carefully. Once again see ma. A square, this is my horse. A square puzzles. See, given values 34, 10, 12. Okay, given answers 30, 12 vertically, 34 vertically, horizontally 10, 12. We will take the multiple values given answer related. We will take the values related the given answers. See, 5 6 are 30, 2 2 are 4. See, horizontally 5 2 are 10, 6 2 are 12. Okay, this vertically horizontally related, we will take the multiple values. Next, 3 2 are 6, 6 4 are 24. See, 3 6 are 18, 2 4 are 80, 8. The given vertically value 624, horizontally 88. These two answers related, we will take the multiple digits. Next, see, 40 to 25, vertically answers given, horizontally 35, 30 given. These two answers related values, we will take multiple values. These two answers related values, we will take multiple values. See, 7 6 are 42, 5 5 are 25. See, 7 5 are 35, 6 5 are 30. Okay, is it clear? Two sides possible. We will take the multiple values related given answers. The given answers related, we will take the multiple values. Okay, the given answers related, we will take the multiple values. Is it clear, ma? Okay, next one. Next see, vertically multiplications, 3 digit vertically multiplications. 115 into 3, 115 into 3, vertically multiplications, ma. Already we know vertically multiplication. See, in this value multiply total value, ones, tens, hundreds. First we will multiply ones place value. 3 5 are 15. 1 keep in your mind. Write down 5. 3 1 are 3. 3 in your mind number 1. 3 add 1, 4. 3 1 are 3. 345. Next, 301 into 8. 8 1 are 8. 8 0 0. 8 3 are 24. Third one, 213 into 4. The given value 4. Multiply total value. First we will multiply ones place value. 3 4 are 12. 1 keep in your mind. Write down. Next we will multiply tens place value. 4 1 are 4. 4 add 1, 5. Next we will multiply hundreds place value. 4 2 are 8. Okay. This one is the vertically type of multiplications. Next 300 into 5. 300 into 5. Okay. See. Once observe this one, ma. Remember that. See the problem. See how many zeros are there? 2 zeros. Right? 2 zeros. First write 2 zeros. Next multiply remaining values. 5 3 are 15. 1500. Coming answer 1500. Is it clear, ma? Vertically multiplications. Is it clear? See 115 into 3. Vertically multiplication. First we will multiply ones place values. 3 5 are 15. 1 keep in your mind. Write down 5. 3 1 are 3. 3 add 1, 4. 3 1 are 3. Okay. Next 301 into 8. 8 1 are 8. 8 0 0. 8 3 are 24. 213 into 4. 4 3 are 12. 1 keep in your mind. Write down 2. 4 1 are 4. 4 add 1, 5. 4 2 are 8. 300 into 5. 5 0 0. 5 0 0. 5 3 are 15. This one is the vertical type of multiplications. Is it clear, ma? Okay. Today class completed. Okay, thank you.